Hi everyone, welcome back to SRK English Academy. So this video lesson is for MA English Semester 1 students, Usmania University. So consonant clusters is our topic today. This is from paper 4, English language phonetics. So let's get into the topic. So as you know, English sounds are 44, phonemes are 44. They are categorized as vowels and consonants. So consonants are 24, vowels are 20, total sounds are 44. So let's see what are consonant clusters. So what's the meaning of a cluster? A cluster is a group of similar things that are closely together. So here consonant clusters are a sequence of two or more consonants within a single syllable. So you know what's a syllable? Syllable is a unit, is a part of word. It contains a single vowel sound. So that is pronounced as uh, a unit. That's a syllable. For example, book has a single syllable, one syllable. And whereas a reading is it has two syllables. It means it has a single vowel sound in a unit. So in reading there are two vowel sounds in a reading word. So it has two syllables, whereas book has a single syllable or one syllable. So it's a monosyllable, and reading is a disyllabic word. So let us see, you have understood what's a syllable, and let us try to know what are consonant clusters. So consonant clusters are two or more consonants within a single syllable. So it's very important thing that it should be in a same syllable. So consonant must belong to the same syllable. Then only we call it as a cluster, consonant cluster, but not in separate syllables. So the consonants, a group of two or more consonants within a single syllable or within the same syllable are called consonant clusters. And there should be no vowel sound. This is also very important. So there should not be no vowel sound between them. Okay, so let's see some examples. For example, blue. See the word blue. So it's a monosyllabic word. And in this, let's see phonemes sounds b, l. So these two sounds, these two consonants form as a cluster. This is a consonant cluster because there is no vowel sound between them, and these two are a cluster consonants. So it is a consonant cluster. These sounds occur at the beginning. So these are called initial consonant clusters. And let's see some more examples. This the final consonant cluster. Looks, k, s. These two form as a cluster. So here see there is no vowel sound between them, and also it is a single syllable, and it is in the same syllable. Okay, so this is a consonant cluster. Next word, free. Let's see, f, r. These two sounds, consonants, form a cluster. There is no vowel sound between them, and these are two consonant sounds. And moreover, they are in the same syllable. So it's a one syllabic word. Then spray. Spray is also a single uh, uh, syllable. It's a one syllabic word. Spray. So in this, these three sounds form a cluster. Okay, so these are examples for consonant clusters. Let's see some more in next slides. Let's see some more examples of consonant clusters. So I think you have understood what are consonant clusters. So especially you have to remember that there is no vowel between the cluster, consonant cluster, and also you should remember that consonants are two or more consonants. Cluster two consonant clusters are two or more consonants within a single syllable. Okay, so let's see blue. So blue. This is a consonant cluster. Then stream, stream. Okay, so three consonants: stream, stream, spleen. So in this spl is three consonants from beginning. These are beginning clusters or initial consonant clusters. Let's see ending clusters. So for example, asked. Okay, so sk t. T. Ed is pronounced as T. So this is asked. Ed is pronounced as T. Asked. So ending cluster. Then text. This XTS. Okay, these three form a cluster. Right. Next, see the word temps. So from this consonant M to S. Okay. M, P, T, S. Temps. These are ending clusters. Okay, always remember that. So you see there is no vowel sound between these consonants. So it's a consonant cluster. And one more thing you have to remember is it is in same syllable. Okay, learn what are abutting consonants. So abutting consonants are they are the consonants that are next to each other are called abutting consonants. Now let's see how they differ with consonant clusters. And these abutting consonants occur when two consonants come together at the boundary between two syllables within a word. So let's see, for example, consonant sequences that do not form a cluster are called abutting consonants. So abutting, remember that abutting consonants do not form a cluster. Okay. So remember this line, it's very important. These consonant sequences that do not form a cluster are called abutting consonants. Okay. So consonants which belong to different syllables are called abutting consonants. So whereas a consonant cluster is a belong to same syllable, that is consonant cluster. But what are abutting consonants? Abutting consonants belong to different syllables. Okay. So remember the differentiation between abutting consonants and consonant clusters. Okay. Let's see examples. Uncle. Here, the nasal sound and k. So they are both the consonants are these consonants. Two consonants are and k in a separate syllables. Uncle. So these and k are in separate syllables. So they are not consonant clusters. They are called this NC called abutting consonants. They are not consonant clusters because they are in separate syllables. Okay, let's see picnic. So let us break down. Let's see syllabification of the word picnic. Pick, nick. Okay, there are two syllables. Okay, right? Nick. So in here, C consonant, N consonant. Both are at the boundary between two syllables. So here the C is in another syllable and N is in another syllable. So this is not a cluster. This is a abetting consonant, right? Let's see another window. Window here and D. These are abetting, not a cluster, because they are in two separate syllables. Two separate syllables. Obtain, b, t. So separate. So these are abetting consonants. Remember the difference between abetting and consonant clusters. Consonant clusters are with no vowel sound between them, and also they form in a single or same syllable, whereas abetting consonants are in separate syllables. They do not form a cluster. They do not form a cluster. Okay. So let's see initial consonant clusters. So let's see two consonants examples. So with the clusters with p, b, t, d, k, g. So with p, play, please, pray, press. Okay, here cluster is this one, and pray, press. These are all initial consonant clusters with two consonants. Blue. Okay, then bright, train, dry, initial. So they occur in the beginning. Clay, glad. So the underlined consonants are clusters. Glass. So client, cl, dr, tr. So these are all consonant. Let's see some examples for final consonant clusters. So here I have given uh, examples for three consonants which form a cluster. Okay, so t, t in the final element. Here it is in final element. So the final consonants ending cluster is d, s, t. Which next d final element. This is cluster. Then z as a final element. Nz. Okay, z, lands, lands as a final element. Adapts, adapts. Let's see final consonant clusters. Examples for four consonants. Text. Next, temps. Okay. Next, sixth, sixth, sixth. Okay, these are four consonant clusters, final consonant clusters. They occur finally. So this is a frequently asked question in your examination. Write a short note on consonant clusters. So read this slide, and I have also given definition what are consonant clusters and examples, and also different types of consonant clusters. Initial consonant clusters which occur at the beginning of a word, and middle consonant clusters which occur in the middle of a word, and final consonant clusters which occur at the end of the word, and also given importance of consonant clusters. So thank you for watching this video.